What I ate at Monty's in Miami, Florida. The first thing I had was the New England clam chowder. It was so creamy and delicious. So yummy. It had lots of clams and not too many potatoes. Next, I tried the fish dip that came with chips and veggies. It was really good. The tortilla chips were so crunchy, but the veggies were not my favorite. Next came Monty's peel and eat shrimp. These shrimp were perfectly seasoned and they were humongous. You put a little lemon on them, and let me tell you, they were so delicious. And look at the size, they were so big. Time to taste these babies. Peeling them is just part of the experience. Let's see, how do they taste? Wow, so delicious, so fresh and sweet. And the cocktail sauce is just amazing. Delicious. Finally, I had Monty's Minuta sandwich, which is a snapper sandwich perfectly seasoned and lightly breaded and had lettuce, tomato, red onions, and tartar sauce. They serve it with potato sticks. It was the most yummiest fish sandwich I've ever had. It was delicious. It was huge, and when you bite into it, it was just so juicy. Like the juice was just dripping down your mouth. After a great meal, I walked it off by taking in the beautiful Miami sights. Look at that water. It is beautiful. Wouldn't you like to be here?